Can you replace your salary by making videos for social media without having a following on social media? I started in November 2024 and I've already earned over $3,000 so far. In February alone, I made close to $2,000. In this video, I'm gonna explain what UGC is and how I use Fiverr to make connections with brands and clients. While I'm not a master at all things UGC and Fiverr just yet, I wanted to share some of the things I've noticed in the beginning of my journey and encourage you to look into it if you've been kind of thinking or questioning what exactly it is. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn exactly which course helped me grow my UGC business exponentially. Editing Lexie here to say, I just realized how bad my lips look in this video. I'm having very dry skin problems and I tried to do this lip tint and it literally looks awful. So I'm aware, thank you. Okay, continue with the video. Roll the clip. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexie and I stepped away from teaching in December of 2023 because my husband was getting deployed and I own a high school senior photography business that I absolutely love, but from like mid-November until May, it's my slow season. And when your husband or whenever your spouse is deployed, you want to stay busy as much as possible. And so that's whenever I decided to leverage Fiverr to create UGC content. And I have fallen in love. So let's start with what exactly is UGC? So UGC stands for User Generated Content. UGC is relatable, it's authentic, and it offers a trusted real life perspective that you don't really see in traditional advertising. Now, what the heck is Fiverr? Well, Fiverr is a digital marketplace where freelancers can offer a variety of services. So you can see freelancers that offer graphic design or video editing, or in my case, UGC creation. Fiverr connects creative individuals with businesses that seek high quality, affordable work, which makes it an ideal platform for anyone who is looking to monetize their existing skills. Whenever I share with people what this is, I usually get asked two things. The first thing is it safe? And the second thing I get asked is it a lot of work? From my experience, Fiverr is secure and safe, and the customer service team is great to work with if I have any issues or concerns. And then whenever it comes to the workload, it's really flexible and it's really up to you and the systems that you have in place. So within Fiverr, you can actually determine how many orders you want to be on your back order. And you can even set your availability times, like if you're going out of town on vacation, or if you just need to like pump the brakes on accepting new orders, you can set your availability and take a breath of relief and know that you have a time period to play catch up if you have a lot of orders, or if you just want to go on vacation with your family. One of the strategies that has really helped cut down my time is a resource that I'm going to share at the end of the video. And it's a course that I took where I was shown quick responses to use with those that were sending inquiries and also my existing clients, because I was spending so much time individually replying to every single message. But Fiverr allows you to put in your own quick responses. Life-changing, life-changing. Another question that I get asked, because I am a mom to a 3-year-old, and if you are a parent, you know that the toddler era, the 3-year-old era is wild and non-stop. But actually, I have 2 different UGC gigs in Fiverr. One is set up where it's just me, and then I have another one that's centered around family content because she loves to make videos with me. So if you are a mom, and it's totally okay if you are not comfortable sharing your children online, that is totally fine. You don't have to create a Fiverr gig that involves your children or offer UGC services that include your children in the video. You do not have to do that. The majority of my income is from videos of just me talking about insurance or whatever script or whatever business I'm working with. But as a mom, what I love about UGC is I determine the turnaround time. I determine how quickly I can get the videos back. And that allows me to utilize her nap times, or the times when she's at preschool, or the times when she's with family friends, and I block off my time so that I can sit down and create content for these clients or for these brands. So the beauty of Fiverr and UGC content is that it really allows you to determine your time, and you get to determine which companies you work with, and it really is on your schedule. And that's one of the things that really drew me to UGC as a whole. The really cool thing about Fiverr is that you can replace your full-time income if you do it right and you take all the tips and you do SEO and you really hone in and lock it in. It can totally replace your full-time income. And one of the people that I found who was able to replace her full-time income with creating content on Fiverr is Arbel Kimmick. And I am so sorry if I just butchered her name. I am so bad at names. But anyway, her Fiverr Profit System course is absolutely amazing. So I have been creating content on Fiverr with brands since November, and I was averaging like around $500, $500 to $1,000. And in the month of February, I am on track to hit $2,000, and I contribute a lot of that to her course. What I love about her course is that she will break it down for you step by step. Whether you are creating an account for the first time, or if you've been doing this for a while, she does a great job at stepping back so that you can see the big picture, do research when it comes to what gigs exactly you want to offer, and making sure that everything is optimized so that you get the impressions, people get their eyes on your gigs. And she's the one that helped me set up quick responses, and it has cut the time that I spend on Fiverr by so much. I wasted so much time. I don't want to talk about it. I would highly recommend her course if you're looking at getting started. I am so thankful that I invested in her course. I love following her on social media. She actually was just flown out to Fiverr's corporate event where they were announcing a new feature to Fiverr, and it's just so cool to watch her. So I'm gonna include a link to her courses, a link to her Instagram, and everything down below for you to go check out on your own. Could not recommend it enough. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about UGC creation, social media marketing, or if you have a love for stationery and books like I do, please hit that subscribe button. Please like this video if it helped you in any way, shape, or form. Feel free to leave a comment about what you would like to learn whenever it comes to UGC. And in the future, I would love to make content about which UGC platforms I would recommend, which ones I've tried out. And also how to create content pillars for your social media strategy. So those are just 2 examples of the types of videos that I'll be making in the future. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.